have a 2014 Honda Odyssey. I can't shut my engine off when I push the button. It goes into an accessory mode. It looks something like this. Okay, start. Now I'm going to try to shut this engine off. See, it will not go off. So the solution is, I sort of figured this out myself. Turn the engine on, shift to neutral, turn the engine off. Okay, put the car back to drive. Start the engine and turn it off. Voila. Okay, so try that, and I hope this worked out for you. This is a temporary thing, of course. I'm going to bring this car back to the dealer and have them look at it to see what exactly going on with the inside. But in the meantime, if you have this problem, try that. Okay, good luck. Bye.